Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to talk about local contractors and the Spark program. Now the government has come out and said, and I'm quoting here now, the government supports local contractors, noting that it is a requirement of the Spark contract that local contractors must be used to execute the work. So guys, what do you think about this? Leave your comments in the section below. Now the government has a massive project to fix 2,000 roads in Jamaica. They're spending $45 billion, one of the largest road projects in Jamaica's history. And they have narrowed the list of contractors down to 5. And then it was announced recently that they have selected, and these 5 are all foreign contractors. No local contractor made the cut for the last 5. The government has announced that they have selected the contractor. They haven't announced the name yet, but they have selected the contractor. They have the pricing done, and the project is going to start sometime this quarter, between now and December. So the project will start in 2025. Now, guys, what do you think about them including local contractors in the project? So the main contractor is going to be a foreign company. And then I'm assuming the local contractors will be subcontractors, because that's the model the government used on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. With that project, and it was an eye-opener for many Jamaicans, to see the government had China Harbour Engineering Company as the main contractor and 10 local companies as subcontractors. And it didn't go well. The sections that the local contractors worked on, I think 7 of the sections had to be taken back over by check. In some sections, the road work was done and the road was destroyed, and check had to come in and repair the road. So, based on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project experience, I'm a bit surprised that they are going the route of local contractors again. So guys, what do you think about it? Because I was very surprised at the way the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project turned out in terms of local contractors. That project just made it clear the gap that exists between local contractors and a China Harbour Engineering Company. And I'm surprised, guys. Let me know what you think about the local contractors working on the Spark project, because I'm not sure what's going to be done different this time that wasn't done for the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the local contractors and the Spark program. The government supports local contractors, noting that it is a requirement of the Spark contract that local contractors must be used to execute the work. In recent days, there has been considerable debate regarding the perceived sidelining of local contractors and the potential impact on the industry. As such, I would like to clarify the role of local contractors in the Spark project. Spark will be implemented island-wide and is expected to engage several local contractors as subcontractors, bringing significant benefits to the local construction industry, including job creation and skills development. However, it is important to note that the selection of these subcontractors will be made by the main contractor in accordance with the terms and conditions of the main contract, the Prime Minister explained. While the government will exercise its statutory role to ensure fair wages, labor conditions, and compliance with health and safety standards, the principle of privity of contract must be respected. The contract is with the main contractor, and it is the contractor that the government will hold accountable for the timely project delivery and quality of work, he added. In the meantime, he said the government has strong confidence in the local construction industry. Though concerns have been raised about the performance of local contractors, I want to emphasize that the government that I lead has strong confidence in our local construction industry. We can always improve, but I believe that we have enough skills, competencies here for our local contractors to participate effectively in the Spark program, the Prime Minister said. The Spark program represents one of the largest investments in Jamaica's road and water infrastructure in recent history, and its successful execution is critical to the nation's growth and development. The project is divided into two components. The vital infrastructure upgrades will be fully funded by the government given the country's economic improvements. So that's the end of the update article. So guys, let us know what you think about local contractors being subcontractors under the Spark program. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Have a good day.